In this video, I'm going to show you a super quick way to add a black screen with text in Premiere Pro. Stick around. Tyler here from Video Editing with Tyler White. If you want to learn how to edit video like a pro, start now by subscribing and hitting the bell so you don't miss anything. I'll first go over to the Import Media Project folder and then right click, select New Item, and then go down to Black Video. And then I'm good with the default settings for this tutorial, but you can change the width, height, and frames per second if you need to. And then go down to OK. I'll then drop the black video down into my timeline, and I can stretch this from the end, making it shorter or longer if I like. I'll then go to a point in my timeline that I want the text to start. I'm gonna go down here, select the text type tool, and then I'm gonna go up here inside of the video and just click anywhere, and I'm gonna type in my text. From there, I want to highlight it and then ensure that the actual layer is selected. And then I'm gonna go over here to Effects Control, and then I'm gonna drop down this little arrow here where I can adjust my text. I can adjust the size of the text as well. And there's a couple of other things that I can change as well. But if you'd like to change even more, you can go over to the Graphics tab up here, and then go over here where it says Essential Graphics, and then select Edit. And then you can go down here and make even further adjustments to your text as well. I've done a more in-depth video on text and titles in Premiere Pro. I'll go ahead and link that up in the YouTube cards now. If that's something that you like to check out, you can check out that video as well. And if I want to move around my text, I can go back over, select the editing tab, and then select the selection tool, and then go up here, select my text, and move it anywhere that I like. And that's it. Continue to perfect your skills by checking out this video. Edit like a pro by subscribing and hitting the bell so you don't miss anything. I'll see you in the next video.